Hey there Cajon drummers, welcome back to another video here on Cajon Groove Guide. I've come inside because I've been getting attacked by flies outside, it's been crazy. So I'm inside to film the next video, and this one is a groove using the flam rudiment. So the flam, if you're unfamiliar, is when you make two hits, one hand coming just before the other, and it makes a thicker sound. So we're going to use that as a big accent in this groove. We've got a 2-bar groove. We'll break it down into 2 parts, and that's maybe the easiest way to start. We'll loop the first bar, and then we'll loop the second bar, and then we'll talk a bit more about it as we bring up the tempo. So let's get started. Okay, so I hope that was a tempo that was good to play along with as we looped those bars there, but I'm guessing maybe the first thing I should address is the way it's broken up between right and left. For that flam, I'm using something that's like the rudiment, the snare drum rudiment, called flam tap, where my right hand is playing the soft half of the flam, and my left hand is playing the hard or the accent part of that flam. So in that groove, the last part of the bar, those last 4 notes sound like this. I find it's really easy to go from the heavy part of that flam to the next ghost note using that flam tap rudiment. So that's the way that I've been doing it. I'm finding I'm getting the best results. However you want to put that flam in the middle of that groove, it will be a little bit uncomfortable no matter how you do it. So I've just gone with the way that works best for me. Okay, so let's continue playing with the whole 2-bar pattern, and let's go up to the next tempo. So I think the flam is a great tool we have at our disposal as cajon players. It can add a lot of punch to a certain part of a groove that we want to give a bit more energy, or even as a light flam, it can sound really classy in different contexts as well. So this is something that I want to keep practicing, putting into different contexts, but of course just a simple groove with a flam is a great way to practice this kind of technique, this tool. So one other thing I'd like to add at this point is, I think this groove rhythmically is not super complex, but the bottleneck, I think for most of us, will be that flam section. So if we want to practice that some more, I would just isolate it, yeah? Pick out that one little section and then loop that over and over again. So I'm gonna change the camera angle here and just show a little more practice of that flam tap, and I guess, as I said before, the last 4 notes. Okay, with that all done, let's bring up the tempo one more time. Okay, so that's it for this cajon groove. After this video, maybe try experimenting with some of your other grooves, right? So try taking this flam and just putting it on top of grooves that you already know. It's a nice way to experiment, and it'll make it much easier to continue improving if you start adding it into different grooves. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like. Let me know what you thought, leave a comment or question down below the video. And if you'd like to see more of these videos in the future, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, anyway, have a great day, enjoy practicing this, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.